Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you the aloe vera and sugar lather scrub. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my fresh aloe vera over here that's been washed very well. I'll go ahead and scrape the gel out of it. With the help of my blender, I'll blend it up to get rid of any lumps in it. I'll get a bowl and come in with about 500 grams of white sugar. I'll come in with 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. I'll go ahead and give it a good mix. Next, I'll need my favorite shower gel. I'll be using the Dove Precious Silk Creamy Shower Gel. I'll come in with about 200 grams of the shower gel. Then next, I'll pour in my aloe vera gel. I'll go ahead and mix it very well to form a very silky mixture. So our lather scrub is ready to be used. When you get into the shower, you can just take a little amount. This can be used on the body and on the face as well. You just rub it on your body in a circular motion. Do this for about 1 minute. Afterwards, just rinse it off. This is especially good for those with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and a very texturized skin. As you can see, it doesn't leave your skin dry. So I'll pour it into a container and keep it in my bathroom cabinet. This can be kept for a maximum of 1 week. Since it's so easy to make, you can always make a new batch when you run out. If you use this consistently, you can see great improvements in 7 days. It leaves your skin very moisturized. This is very great for those with very dry skin. It helps in exfoliation and the retention of moisture in your skin. This will help give you a smoother and a younger looking skin. I hope this helped you and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.